I'm in campus and this is my creative project. Today, my friend Lorena, who is a barista at a local coffee shop, and I will be showing you how to make a latte. As we watch Lorena go through the process of making a latte, I will be discussing some background information on the Brazilian coffee industry. A latte is just an espresso shot with milk and is usually between 8 and 12 ounces. You start off with about 2 ounces of espresso, and then the rest is steamed milk with a little bit of air put into it. Now you're going to see Lorena pull the shot, steam the milk, and pour them into a cup. According to the Geographic Journal, coffee is the world's second most valuable commodity. Brazil has the largest economy in Latin America and is the leading producer and exporter of coffee, growing over 1/3 of the world's coffee supply. Brazil currently exports most of its coffee to the United States and Germany, with the US being the world's largest single buyer of coffee. A large portion of the coffee that Brazil produces actually remains within Brazil, as it is also the second largest coffee consumer in the world. There are two primary types of coffee produced for drinking: Arabica and Robusta. They have distinct differences in their taste, price, and in the necessary growing conditions. Robusta is a bitter, high-caffeine coffee that is commonly found in instant coffees and espressos. It is also usually grown within the Eastern Hemisphere. Now, Arabica is considered to be a higher quality coffee and makes up about 70% of the world's coffee production. It is also primarily grown in Latin America. Most coffee-producing countries usually are only able to grow one type of coffee, but one of Brazil's competitive advantages is that it is able to grow both primary types of coffee. An article from the Brazil Business website indicates that Brazil's climate is ideal for growing coffee. Its temperature, heavy rainfall, distinct dry seasons, and mountainous topography make Brazil the ideal location for producing coffee.